Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Claude Sonnet API Key. In this walkthrough, we'll use OpenRouter to locate the Claude Sonnet model page. This is a simple process, and if you follow along carefully, you should be able to complete it in just a moment. To begin, open your browser and go to the OpenRouter website. Once the page loads, take a second to get oriented with the layout. You'll want to make sure the home page is fully loaded so all navigation options are visible and easy to access. If the site takes a few extra seconds to appear, just wait until everything is ready before moving on. Next, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on Search. This search function is the quickest way to find a specific model on the platform, especially if you already know the model name you're looking for. Clicking there should place your cursor into the search field so you can start typing right away. Now in the search bar, enter Claude Sonnet Sonnet Latest. As you type, matching results may begin to appear automatically. Be sure to type the model name carefully so the correct listing appears. If you don't immediately see the exact result, give it a moment or check that the spelling matches what you entered. Search results on these platforms are often very sensitive to wording, so accuracy helps. Once the matching result appears, click on it. This will take you to the corresponding model page for Claude Sonnet. From there, you can continue with whatever setup or access process you need on the platform. The key part of this tutorial is making sure you successfully locate and open the correct Claude Sonnet listing inside OpenRouter. As a quick tip, if multiple Claude-related options appear in the search results, take a closer look before selecting one. Model names can be very similar, and choosing the right version matters if you're trying to follow the exact setup shown in this guide. And that's it. You've gone to OpenRouter, used the search feature, entered the Claude Sonnet latest model name, and opened the correct result. If you're following this as part of a larger setup, you're now in the right place to continue.